Hi, Keller Williams, Denver Southeast. It's Susan Snow again. I am here and I am on the 2019, Agent Leadership Council here in the office. I also head up the Finance Committee and the vendor program. And I am here with one of our amazing vendors. This is Karen Hyman with 210 Home Warranty. Welcome, Karen.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So Karen, why don't you tell us a little bit about 210 Home Warranty?
Okay, 210 is a national home warranty company. Our headquarters are right here in Aurora. We have a building about a mile from here. We employ over 400 people here, so we are helping the economy out. We've been in business for 38 years. We also have a structural department. We are the largest provider of structural warranties in the country, and 1 of every 7 homes has a 210 structural warranty on it.
That's awesome. So tell me, Karen, what makes 210 different?
210 is different in a lot of ways, but most importantly is the business model, the philosophy that we use. We want people to understand that a home warranty is a valuable product. So we have a very comprehensive plan. We cover up to $25,000 a year, and we encourage our clients to file claims. We want you to use your warranty. We want you to see that it's a good tool. It's a great way to save you money so that you renew with us. We are in the renewal business. We send renewals out to everyone. We have a 78% renewal rate because we cover 97.5% of our claims.
That's amazing. And you also have a comprehensive HVAC.
Yes, yes.
A part of your home warranty. So talk a little bit about that.
Our HVAC coverage is quite comprehensive. Most importantly, we do not cap Freon. So at the end of the day, your homeowners, your clients will never have out of pocket on Freon.
That's
we
amazing.
also SEER match. SEER matching is SEER rating is an efficiency rating on an air conditioning unit. Right now we are replacing with SEER 14. That's the government mandate. So if we need to replace the outside condenser unit, we're going to replace with a 14. If the inside part of the air conditioning system is working fine, but it's a 12, we're also going to replace that with a 14. So that is what we call a SEER match.
Oh, that's
we
amazing.
also cover modifications, permits. We cover the full cost of the crane should that be needed to replace the AC.
Awesome. And tell me a little bit about your appliance coverage, because I heard that was pretty amazing.
Yes, our appliance coverage is all-inclusive. Our one plan, one price includes all of the appliances. That includes washer, dryer. It includes ice maker on the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Of course, we fix until we can't, and then we will replace. We will offer a feature-for-feature color match replacement. Your homeowner is welcome to decline that and ask for a cash buyout. They can take the cash that we give them and they can go onto our portal and have access to our discount appliances with GE, Whirlpool, Samsung, LG at different discount levels. And some of them are quite significant. I've seen them up to 60%.
Wow, that's amazing. And what is the service agreement?
We have a even if service agreement policy where if we send a contractor out to you and it's a non-warranted item, so you're not getting any work done, we will refund your service agreement. Also, should you have the work done, which most of the time you will, you'll pay that service fee, and if that same problem happens again within the warranty, you will not pay a second service fee.
Oh, that's awesome, because a lot of other companies, they charge you every time
Yes.
you go out, and I've even had it where clients have had the same issue and they got charged twice
Yes.
for the same issue.
Yes,
So
we are
that's
the
awesome.
only ones that do not charge a second trip charge during the warranty year.
Awesome. And just for myself personally, I always put seller coverage on every single one of my listings because, you know, agents, it's really important for us to give them that peace of mind while they're on the list, when they're listing, in the listing period. If something were to go awry and they needed to replace something or just to get it repaired, It's taking that off of your seller's plate if you have a seller's coverage in place. So tell me a little bit about 210's seller coverage.
We love seller coverage. We want seller coverage. We encourage people to enroll every single listing in our seller coverage. There's no risk and there's no cost. So like with everybody, there are lower limits on the seller coverage because of the risk.
Right.
We only take payment if a property closes. So what I mean by risk-free is that if you have seller coverage on a property, even if we've paid claims and that property never closes, we do not come back at anybody for money. That's part of doing the business. Most of it doesn't happen that often, but it does.
Right.
We just ask that you call us and cancel. It is very, very important to have seller coverage also because it builds a history on the property and it helps us to pay claims on the buyer side.
Right.
We also encourage listing coverage if you are the buyer's agent. Being the buyer's agent, if you go under contract with a property and that property does not have a warranty on it already, all you need to do is tell that seller's agent you're going to cover that property for the gap, the time between going under contract and close of escrow. And in those 30 or however many days it is, the items that break are under the warranty, covered under the warranty. Warranties are meant for repair and replacement due to normal wear and tear.
That's awesome. And I think that's kind of the myth around home warranties. People don't understand exactly where it comes into play. I know that I've talked to other agents before where they've thought that just having a home warranty was just something that you gave the buyer to entice them to purchase that house. But it's more than that. It's insurance, and it's peace of mind for your seller. It's peace of mind for your buyer. It's a total win-win. And here at Keller Williams, we're always looking for win-win. So, Karen, I've heard a lot about Hello coverage. What is that?
Hello coverage is a new product we just rolled out, and it plays into what Susan just talked about because it is about protecting the property and people to understand what they have. That is the biggest barrier with home warranties. People don't understand what they buy. They don't understand how to read the service agreement. So 210 it is our major focus right now, and it's a campaign we are very serious about. So this is all about educating the consumer. So when your client gets their home warranty on the buyer's end, they are going to get several touches from 210 so that they understand what they have and they understand the benefits and what it's used for. And best of all, when they get our communication, they will have the opportunity to go online and schedule a 20-minute phone conversation with one of our warranty experts here in the office. They will answer all their questions, explain their coverage, tell them how to file a claim. And that, of course, takes a lot off you, the agent, about teaching them, and also about when they have a breakdown right after closing, they're not going to call you, they will call us.
Yes, absolutely. I've had that before where clients just call me and I keep telling them just call the 800 number. So I think that's amazing because there's not a lot of home warranty companies out there that will actually take the time to have a conversation with your client, to explain what they've gotten after the transaction is done. So Karen, tell everybody how to get a hold of you.
You can get a hold of me. You can call me at 303-229-9071. You can email me at khyman@2-10.com. I am always available to talk to you. Text me, call me. I will answer you promptly, and I'm always happy to talk to your clients as well, so feel free to give them my number.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Bye, everyone.